Let's start with a pretty staggering number. By 2026, it's predicted that more than 30% of traditional jobs in finance are going to be seriously shaken up by AI. Now, for some, that means a pink slip, but for others, it means a huge promotion. So today, we're going to break down exactly how you can make sure you land on the right side of that statistic. And really, that's the question on everyone's mind, isn't it? Pink slip or promotion? Because for anyone in finance right now, there's a massive fork in the road ahead. One path, well, it leads to becoming obsolete. The other path leads to a whole new level of influence and opportunity. Today, we're giving you the map to make sure you're heading in the right direction. Welcome to the AgileWoW podcast, your trusted partner in Agile, Scrum, artificial intelligence training, coaching, and innovation. AgileWoW is on a mission to build communities, empower professionals, and accelerate the learning curve one conversation at a time. You know, if you're feeling a little bit anxious about all of this, good. That's actually a good thing. It means you're paying attention. It means you see what's coming. This isn't some sci-fi movie plot. It is a real, tangible shift that is happening as we speak. So let's get you prepared. To really get where we're going, we first have to appreciate the sheer scale of this change. And that comparison you see on screen to the invention of the ATM, that's not just hyperbole. We are talking about a fundamental rewiring of how the entire industry works, from the ground up. And let's be super clear, this isn't some wild forecast for 2030. This is what's happening right now. Think about it. Algorithms are already approving loans faster than a human underwriter ever could. Bots are sniffing out fraud with a level of precision that a compliance officer just can't match. And generative AI, it's spitting out quarterly reports in seconds, reports that used to take junior analysts hours or even days of painful work. So here's the thing. This is the crucial point. The threat isn't really to humans, but to the average professional, the person who's just sticking to the old ways of doing things. The real opportunity is for what we call the augmented professional. That's the person who learns how to wield AI as a powerful tool, as a partner. Okay, so let's get specific. Let's rip the Band-Aid off and talk about which skills are quickly becoming liabilities. Because honestly, clinging to the way things have always been done is the fastest ticket to becoming irrelevant in this new world. And this is the perfect case study. Just look at the traditional bank teller. I mean, what did they used to do? Cash checks, count bills, answer basic questions. Today, almost all of that has been automated by smart kiosks, mobile apps on your phone, and AI chatbots. The job hasn't just changed. Its core purpose has completely shifted away from the simple transaction. And it's the exact same story playing out for financial analysts. You've got the dinosaur analyst who's still spending most of their day wrestling with VLOOKUPs and drowning in Excel spreadsheets. Then you've got the AI native analyst. They've used simple scripts to automate all that grunt work so they can focus on what actually matters, generating insights that predict the future. Just let that one sink in for a second. This is a really stark but absolutely necessary reality check. If the main skill you bring to the table, your big value proposition, is just organizing data in a spreadsheet, you are competing in a race you have already lost. The game has just fundamentally changed. Okay, enough of the doom and gloom. Let's talk about the solutions. Because this isn't a dead end, not at all. It's a pivot. And surviving and then thriving in this new world just requires a new set of skills. The good news, they are totally learnable. So for those on the front lines, the big evolution is from being a teller to becoming what's known as a universal banker. And this isn't just some fancy new title, it's a completely different role. The focus is no longer on processing transactions, but on building real human relationships and solving complex problems for customers. Think about what this job actually looks like day to day. 1 minute, you're a tech support guru, helping someone navigate their mobile banking app. The next minute, you're a sales advisor, spotting an opportunity for a new loan or investment. You're building trust through handshakes and smart advice, not just by counting cash. Your job is now to be the human guide for a customer's entire financial life. And for analysts, the upgrade path is just as clear. It's a 3-step plan. First, learn the actual languages of data, like Python and SQL, so you can finally break free from the limitations of Excel. The whole goal here is to stop just reporting what happened last month and start building models that predict what's going to happen next month. This is the kind of future-proofing we focus on at AgileWoW, moving from reactive work to predictive strategy. Just a quick reminder, this episode is brought to you by AgileWoW. If you're looking to level up your skills, check out our upcoming workshops on product management, agile leadership, and artificial intelligence. Visit our website, www.agilewow.com, for more detail. But listen, we're not just here to talk about surviving. The real exciting opportunity is to thrive, to absolutely dominate by gaining what some people are calling the cyborg advantage. I know, it sounds a little sci-fi, but all it really means is partnering with AI to achieve things that are, well, frankly, superhuman. I absolutely love this metaphor because it is perfect. Don't try to be the plane. Don't try to compete with AI on raw speed or calculation. You will lose every single time. Your job is to be the pilot, the strategist in the cockpit who directs these incredibly powerful tools to get the mission done. And these are the new controls in your cockpit. We're talking about specialized AI that is way beyond your standard ChatGPT. We're talking about things like BloombergGPT, which has been trained on decades of financial data to understand market nuance like nothing else. Or AlphaSense, which is like a superpowered Google for Wall Street that can scan millions of documents in seconds to find the one key insight you need. This is how you literally 10x your output. Now, we've saved the most important part for last. After all this talk about technology and data, your ultimate job security, your ultimate competitive advantage, comes from the one thing that AI simply cannot replicate, and that is your humanity. I want you to picture this scenario. The market is crashing. You ask an AI what to do, and it gives you the cold, logically correct answer. But a human advisor, they give you the emotionally necessary response. They offer empathy, reassurance, trust. In a moment of pure panic, who would you rather have on the phone? And that right there, that ability to connect, to empathize, to build trust when it matters most, that's what we call the human premium. And as AI makes technical skills cheaper and more common, these uniquely human soft skills are becoming the rarest and therefore the highest paid skills in the entire industry. So these are the new power skills. This is the new resume. It's not about what you can calculate anymore. It's about how you connect with people. Your ability to read the room in a tough negotiation. Your knack for communicating with calm and clarity during a crisis. Your gut instinct for making the right ethical call. These are the things that will define a truly successful career from here on out. So, when you boil it all down, it comes to this simple choice. Are you going to be a human calculator, trying to compete with machines on their terms, or are you going to be the architect, using those very same machines as tools to design and build the entire future of finance? The tools are ready, the choice is yours. Thanks for tuning in to the podcast, supported by AgileWoW. If you enjoyed this episode, make sure to follow the podcast, leave us a review, and share it with your team. And if you want to advance your Agile journey, check out AgileWoW's upcoming trainings, events, and workshops, all designed to help you grow faster, smarter, and together. Until next time, stay agile, stay curious.